Good afternoon once again. Welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to talk about system trading and why do people trade? Why do traders fail? We have a lot of three qualities in my view if you are a system trader, which will make you a successful trader or you fail, because every trading has a system and a strategy which needs to work. So if your system trading, let's say you need about four things to confirm your buy entry or sell entry, then your risk management, which is your stop loss to protect yourself. Let's say you need A, B, C, and D. These conditions, four conditions, have to be met before your buy is confirmed or your sell is confirmed. Most traders don't have the discipline or the patience to do this. So when three of them are met and the fourth one is not met, we tend to force ourselves to enter the trade and we end up with a losing trade. But the idea of a system trading is it's a system you've back tested, you've forward tested over a period of time, and the net result is positive. So you are going to do the same thing in the market without exposing the charts or without changing anything. So if these are the things that you need, then you need your discipline and you need your patience, because what people forget, especially a day trader or a scalper who is following a system, is that every day the market has a low point that if it reaches, it doesn't go below that, it's going to go up, and the market has a high point, or the what we call high of the day. When the market reach this target, it wouldn't go beyond that. It will start to form, and it could drop directly like that, or it could be like this: drop ranging, then dropping. It wouldn't go one boom just like that. And it's the same, if it reached the low of the day, it could start coming up straight away, or it could be ranging, but it will never come to this low of the day. So you need to have this patience and the discipline to wait for those levels to reach, to confirm that, okay, my system is giving me a buy. Where is my checklist? A, B, C, D, all is met before I'm taking the trade. My system has given me a sell entry. Where is my checklist? A, B, C, D, all are met before I take it, and then those results will repeat. But most of the time we don't have the patience. If we are waiting, especially day traders or scalpers, they are waiting and waiting and waiting for the buy confirmation to come. Maybe two are met, the other two haven't met yet, or three of the four checklists are met, the others haven't met. Oh, okay, maybe the market is not going, so it's confirming a buy, but it's only this that is. So they'll just confirm, and they force themselves and they create and enter the market. They have broken the rules or flouted their rules, and you might think it's going, then boom, before you know, it takes you out and you've ended up in the loss and you are angry with yourself. So if you want to be successful, remember, trading is not a get rich quick scheme. Yes, people have built 5,000 and turn it into 100,000 in a year, or 10,000 and turn it to 100,000. But remember, these people follow the system. Even scalpers who are successful and they are making consistent profit over a long period of time, remember, they are following their system. They are not breaking it, or they are not rewriting the news or the rules for them. If you keep following this over the long term, you will make money. But if you don't follow the system and you try to let the markets do your thing for you, then, or you do your own thing, sometimes you'll be successful, and most of the time you are going to end up in red, or you blow your account, or you are losing more than you are, because when you are trading, You might have your system and still maybe due to something you are getting losing trades. So you have to look at your system and see why this is happening. For instance, I'm not trading this week, especially the US pairs, because of coronavirus news and the presidential elections coupled with other things. Even when your system gives you a perfect entry, whether buy or sell, and you take the trade, it goes into profit, and before you know, a lot of spikes, boom, you are out of the market. So then, as a trader, you should know when to trade and when not to trade. This is one of will be your key strength, knowing what the market is doing, knowing that, oh, this time I am trading, or this time I'm not going to trade, I'm going to wait. Okay, I'm going to wait and see what is happening before, or there is news, too much news, too many things in the market. So I'm going to wait until the things are done, everything is good, the market is settled before it will go. And also you have to know which market does your system works in, because we have so many market conditions. This is a trending market, there is a sideways market, there are others. So some people have built a system which is working in a trending market, so you have to trade when only the market is in a trending. If your system doesn't work in sideways, and your key success to your trading is to identify when the market condition is not trending. If the market is going channels, or if the market is going sideways, you know that this condition doesn't fit my system. So if I take any trades here, I'm going to end up losing. So therefore, I'm not taking the trade. When you do this, you are going to end up in winning, because you are this part of the discipline, knowing where or which type of market your system is working. Apart from that, if you have money, whether you are a day trader, whether you are a scalper, whether you are a position trader, what I will treat you to see is that or to do is try to follow your system and don't jump around when you see people posting profit. Traders, I would say, don't jump around when you see a lot of people posting profits. Sometimes it's just a snapshot, and this everybody is a guru. They are selling signals, they are breaking teaching and stuff like that. Be careful, because some people are using, you see over here, when you look here, this is a live account, and some people are using the demo account to post their results. So if they are giving you signals, or if they are asking you to manage your account for you, why don't they show you proper results? Look at this. You see, this is FTMO trader. So this is a challenge account. So you see it's stated here as a demo account. Then when you qualify and you are trading for a prop firm, also if you are trading funded account, over here the server will not show that it's live, it's demo. So if someone is posting his results and stuff, they are only showing you they are winning trades. But a good teacher, if they claim they are good teachers, if they claim they give good signals, they should be able to show you both they are winning and they are losing trade, and be able to know why that trade failed. So build your system and keep tweaking it, and you will be successful. If you keep jumping from one person to another because, oh, you've seen this person is making a lot of money, maybe it is demo account, maybe it's real account, but remember, he has traded over the years and built a system that suits him. Even when you learn from a good mentor who trades, I'm telling you, you are not going to trade like him or like her. Because a good mentor and a good teacher is supposed to teach you and train your eye how the market work, the setup, what to look for, and things like that. once you understand and you start trading and you start understanding the market, whether you want to use indicators or you want to follow just strictly price action, you are going to develop your own habits and a strategy that best fits you or fits your lifestyle, and that is how you're going to trade. You are never going to trade like your mentor. For instance, if you follow price action, which is what I normally use, you can see here 139.7. That is entry point for a sell trade on pound yen, and then the stop loss is going to be about 140, about 139.9 or 140 if you want to give it a little room, to about 140.1. And the target point is here. First profit point is here, 139.2, and the second profit taking point was about 139.4, which all of them have hit. So then you are going to fine tune this, train your eye to see price action setup pattern and things like that, and doing it over a long period of time, you are going to be successful because you know what you are looking for. If it has met it, you take the trade. If it doesn't met it, you are not taking the trade. When another thing is, people think that trading is get rich trading is a marathon. It's not 100 meters, so whether you can make 20,000 or 50,000 profit a day trading, it's still a long-term gain. So maybe people have paid $1,000 to study, or they have done maybe a challenge and they failed twice, and now maybe they've spent 3 months or 4 months and they feel that this month is wasted. No, it's not wasted. You have to learn the lessons, learn what you made mistake. Know that trading is just like any other business. It's not going to be all profitable. The best traders, the best investors, they all take losses, but their net P&L is in profit. So if you are just starting your journey in trading and you have taken losses, or you've blown your account, or you've spent 1 year and you still don't have results that you so much want, please don't think that you've wasted your time. Don't think that this is bad thing that you've done. Don't give up. Keep training. Stick to a system. Keep tweaking the system. Keep tweaking a system. Keep tweaking a system. Then the system will give you less good quality trades. And by doing this, I bet the market or the odds is going to be in your favor, and you're going to be from a losing trader to a winning trader, and then you are going to be somebody who is now going to derive his or her income from trading, and you are going to be a full-time trader, or you are going to be a profitable part-time trader. Because trust me, once you become a successful trader, it becomes boring, because all you need is few minutes or few hours in the day to place your trades, make your profit, and go away. And even if you are a trend trader, as you see, you are going to be riding, you understand? Yes, you are just going to be riding the trend, and you just need a few minutes to confirm your buy entries, you understand? You just need a few minutes a day, analyze several charts and check whether you have a buy or you have a sell entry, and you enter and you are trending, and every evening you check your trades. So this is what I wanted to talk to you about. Trading is a long-term journey, and remember, don't forget about your risk management, because being a good trader will never make you money, but being a proper risk management person is going to make you money, because risk management will save you. So you don't forget to put your stop loss. Stop loss is like brakes on car. It is protecting you, because you are never guaranteed, and you never know what is going to happen when you have a buy trade and you take it. There are a whole lot of news, like here, assuming you had a buy somewhere here, and you didn't put a stop loss, you can see the market went all the way here. If you didn't take the profit, that was a news, and the market came back and is taking, and you'll be in loss here. But if you have a stop loss, it will take you out. It means that every trade that you are entering, you have your defined loss and said, okay, I'm buying this at this price, but I'm willing to lose only this much. Then your upside is more. Or I'm selling at this price, but I'm willing to lose only this much. So you always have money to come back. The next episode of my trading journey, people have asked me to talk about the difference between stocks and indices. I should talk about commodities, indices, and the stocks. So I'm going to explain in detail the stock indices and the features, market, and the commodities and things like that. The COVID-19 is still available, so don't forget, be patient, and observe all the protocols of COVID-19. Stay safe and stay healthy. Remember, wealth is health. Wealth is health. There is nothing precious than your health. Me being a former nurse working in a hospital for years, I know what it is when you are not healthy. So I'll see you again, and have a good weekend. Bye bye.